To fix Pinterest not loading. To fix Pinterest pin not loading, you could start by checking a widespread outage. So open up your browser and you want to type in down detector for Pinterest, and this is where you will be able to find whether there is an issue with Pinterest server or not. If the issue doesn't seem to be the one, you just want to make sure to go to settings on your device. Here, you also want to make sure to go ahead and switch your network type. You could switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. After you've done that, you want to make sure to go to the apps section, and there you just want to make sure to go to see all apps, and you just want to make sure to go to Pinterest, and here you just go to storage and cache and make sure to clear cache as well. This should also definitely help you out. Next, what you also want to do is exit out. You go to the Play Store on your device and try updating your Pinterest app. That should also definitely help you out. If that is also not working out, hold on to your start button and restart your device. This should definitely fix your Pinterest pin not loading. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.